Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Gaur. Welcome you on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. Dear student, in my previous session, I explained you the meaning and definition of physical education. I am sure you must have understood the term physical education perfectly. But to clear the full concept, you must understand its aim and objective. Whatever we are doing in life, the aims or objectives are behind them. So why not here? Aim. Aim means to intend to do something or achieve something. Objectives. Objectives are small achievable goals or targets that contributes to the attainment of an aim. Since physical education has been accepted as an important part of education, so it is necessary that the aims and objectives of physical education should be the same. So, the aim of physical education is the wholesome development of personality of an individual, which means making an individual physically fit, mentally alert, emotionally balanced, socially well-adjusted, morally true, and spiritually uplifted. You know, student, if we look towards present era, we all find is that everyone is under stress. Whatever it is, scoring high percentage, stress of maintaining social status, stress of number of zeros behind their annual income, stress of failure or inability to maintain healthy relationship with family, friends, or even our society. Everyone is just having a race in his or her life. So here comes the need of physical education, as it helps in balancing our life. We have often heard that sports builds character. Yes, it is very true. The definition of National Planning of Physical Education and Recreation proves that the aim of physical education must be to make every child physically, mentally and emotionally fit, and also to develop in them such personal and social qualities that will help him to live happy with others and build him up a good citizen. The aim of physical education is reflected in the aim of education, which have been described by the educationists as promotion of health, development of basic methods, vocation, proper use of leisure, and moral character. Here, I will show you the relationship between aims and objectives, where all objectives leads to the achievement of aim. So, objectives are steps towards the attainment of aim. When an aim is achieved, it becomes an objective. Now, I will explain you the objectives of physical education. Physical development. The primary objective is the development of various systems of the body, such as respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, and so on. Physical activities and exercise have various effects on our organic system, which increase efficiency, capacity, size and shape of the various systems. Number 2 is social development. Physical education helps to develop the qualities like cooperation, sacrifice, loyalty, sportsmanship, self-confidence. These developments help them to become a good human being. Number 3 is psychological development. Physical education helps in reducing worries and anxieties through developing appropriate interests and habits of engaging in exercise and games. Next is moral development. The program of physical education tells us how to control our various types of emotions, such as anger, pleasure, fear, jealousy, loneliness. It makes an individual emotionally balanced. Last but not least, improvement in knowledge, such as acquiring knowledge of rules and regulations of games and sports, knowing health problems and their preventions. I hope this will help you to understand the topic. Thank you. Stay home.